Hi guys, welcome to our monthly inspiration hop. I'm so glad you're here. Today we are hopping, sharing the brand new releases for July. So we've changed up our hop giveaway. So now we're not doing like a giveaway with a link. So if you place an order between July 10th and July 15th, and you use the phrase fairy tale when you place your order in the order comments, you will receive a surprise gift. It's for new orders placed between the 10th and the 15th, and it must have that phrase, fairy tale. That way we know you saw the hop video. Today I'm going to share the junior box of the month and our paper pad club of the month. If you hop along, be sure to leave some love for our designers. They'll be sharing fun projects using the new release. For your junior box, you can purchase it as a one-time purchase or join our club and save 18% off your subscription. You get a 6x6 stamp set every month. This one is called Mermaid Magic. It is just so cute. I had so much fun coloring in this cute little mermaid. Absolutely love that. Had fun doing a little scene around her. You also get a 6x6 paper pad. This one's Mermaid Dreams. You get a coordinating ephemera pack, and then you get a full pack of the A2 card fronts. So whatever's new for the month, you'll get the full pack. This is Storybook Royalty. Let me share that really quickly with you because these images are just really darling. So these make great quick cards. You can use them as little dividers in your planner, junk journals, your mini albums, lots of different ideas for that. Here's a card I did using the ephemera and the paper. Turned out really cute. Get 2 paper pads in your paper pad club. You can opt in to receive coordinating ephemera. This month, Once Upon a Rose matches this paper here. And then on the other paper pad, you usually get some beautiful images on the inside that you can fussy cut and create your own ephemera with. You could also opt in for our stamp of the month. This is Enchanted Cozy Stories. And when you get all these options, there'll be a little drop-down menu and you'll see I want it all. So you'll choose that if you want everything you see here. If you choose monthly, before checking out, you'll get 18% off and you'll get new designs delivered to your door every 30 days from the date you purchased. So this is really pretty. If you love fairy tales, storybook fairy tales, this month's release is right up your alley. I'm going to show you the beautiful images on this paper pad. And here's one of the girls stamped out. Really gorgeous. Very nice quality paper. And they're double-sided. This paper pad is so pretty. You got lots of florals in here. Beautiful purple. And then here are those cutouts. You get 4 of them. So you'll have plenty of ephemera. Those are really, really pretty. And then on the back you have some vines. This one's pretty with the moon. Okay guys, I would love for you to go hopping along and see what the design team has created for you. I will be creating some more cards using these products, and I will have them posted up on the Instagram account for you. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Have fun on the hop, and don't forget to add that secret phrase if you place an order between July 10th and July 15th. That phrase is fairy tale. You'll get a mystery gift included in your package. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys.